Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence confesses his true feeling about Glizzy live on Twitch. Let's get into it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good, but I just don't like to eat.
Mine's saying that because there's always hot dogs in my fridge. He came over and there was hot dogs in my fridge. But and he pinned Glizzy's on me.
You got little ones in there too, babe.
But who bought them?
Yeah, you bought them.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Babe, those are new.
I knew he bought the Glizzy.
No, I didn't
You
buy
know he
those.
bought the Glizzy. You know he bought the Glizzy.
You wanna know how I know, babe?
You know he
It's the
bought
same
the
niggas who
Glizzy.
got the stuff for the pizza.
You know he bought the
No,
Glizzy.
that was a
He bought
back
Glizzy's and pizza.
Okay, well, mine's excited. He's right. He got proven right by Queen, and so he's ecstatic. Boy, his energy, I'll take that.
Chat. He bought Glizzy's and pizza, chat. He bought Glizzy's and pizza.
No,
Chat
He bought
little ones is crazy.
no, he got the little ones.
Nigga bought Vienna sausages. This nigga's still in the trenches. He bought Vienna sausages. This nigga's still in the trenches. Word. He bought Vienna sausages.
Blankets.
Yo, midget Glizzy's. No, bro. Those are not my Glizzy's, bro.
That's crazy.
I'm not claiming those.
Chat, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy.
Babe.
That's crazy,
Babe.
chat.
So you
Chat,
ain't make pigs in a blanket?
Chat,
Yeah,
that's
I
crazy.
did like 3 weeks. That was like a month ago.
You made pigs in a blanket? Nah.
Shoot, that's what you grew up with. You know, people like that. Nothing wrong with it.
This kid is
that's
wicked. You're wicked. You're wicked. This kid is wicked. This kid is wicked. Nah, this kid is wicked. This kid is wicked. This kid is wicked. Yo, this kid is wicked.
First of all,
You made pigs in a blanket gang? Nah, that's crazy.
I made
bro.
it for CJ
I don't
and
care.
myself.
Don't stop pussy, Jay.
I made it for CJ.
Nah, don't pussy
I
gang.
might have had.
You gotta put the kid into it to make it not look like he just eat him on a regular basis. But a lot of people do. It's no big deal.
Bro, nah, don't put the Glizzy's on CJ, bro. Don't put the Glizzy's on CJ, bro. Those is young Glizzy's to
Is he like Auntie
take.
Annie?
You had little Glizzy's.
Yo.
You bought little Glizzy's. Nigga had Glizzy Junior.
Nigga, it said Hall of Fame Glizzy Gladys.
Nigga had Glizzy Juniors. Yo, stop it. This kid has Junior Glizzy's in his fridge. This kid is wicked.
Hall of Fame Glizzy Gladys.
Does CJ like the pigs in the blanket?
Pigs in a blanket is crazy.
Nah,
They love the pigs in a blanket.
No, you too. You fucking do. Don't put it on CJ. You love them shit.
Like, them shits was alright.
It's like he likes them too.
Like, them shits was...
Nah. Nah, bro. Him and CJ got a different bond over there. Yo, they building a different bond over there, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Him and CJ building a different bond. They bonding over Glizzy's. They got it. They got it.
You see him?
See, Juniors is crazy. Yo, I hate the chat, bro.
Hall of Fame Winnie Her Jr.
Wait, but what about the video?
Yo, hold on. That's what I'm saying. Did that pass? We're talking about, yo. Nigga said throw it on CJ is out of line.
Yeah, throwing it on CJ is crazy. I'm like, oh, that's crazy.
Bro, it's like...
It's crazy.
I feel like there's ways you can have a... Like, you know what I mean? And like, a kid is one of them. Like, a kid is one of them. Facts.
A kid is one of the ways you can have a Glizzy.
CJ definitely loves Glizzy.
Did he say... Did he tell you to go to the store and get it to make Glizzy's?
I said, do you want some? And he said, yeah.
No, so you brought the Glizzy's up. You're wild. You're wild. You said...
They were homemade Glizzy. They were homemade...
So he got some, and then he decided to make some and asked him if he wanted some. So now it's CJ's idea.
Pigs in a blanket.
Nah, you said, CJ, do you want pigs in a blanket? You looked in the freezer. Yes, so first. You opened the freezer. You looked in there. You looked at what was in there. There was waffles. There was burgers.
That's TikTok, bro.
And you said,
Nah, let me explain myself. Let me explain myself, chat. Let me explain myself, chat. Let me explain myself.
Yo,
let me explain
I kind of want them pics in the blanket. I'm gonna throw those on CJ. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yo, let me explain myself. Yo, I was on TikTok. I seen it was a very enticing video, and it was.
Why were you enticed by a video with hot dogs? Yo, you're just making it worse. You're making it worse at this point.
No, because I'm not gonna lie yet. Auntie Anne's is like one of my favorite places.
Wrap a pretzel glizzy.
I don't know. I don't know if I tried a pretzel one there before. Maybe I have. It was okay if I did. It's not memorable.
All right. I'm just saying. All right, bro.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Them shits bust.
Patty and fell out the chair. Mike, get up. Is it that funny? Y'all are silly.
For a second, bro. I'm telling this thing.
You had had a cheese.
Nah, bro, nah. Baby, I need help, bro. Baby, I need help, bro. Baby, I need help. I need help. My name is Clarence.
And I'm addicted to Glizzy.
Bruh. The first step is to admit you got a problem, so. Poor Queen. She got to sit here with this. I know there's like this a lot with those two whenever they get together.
I love it. My name is Clarence. I like mini Glizzy's from Auntie Anne's. And it tastes really good with the spicy cheese. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it really is. And then you get the lemonade, it goes crazy. Like, maybe I need help, man.
Yo.
Like, I'm not gonna lie. But that's like some, like, I wouldn't buy the mini Glizzy's. Like, if I'm at the airport, I only eat it when I'm at the airport. And I'm usually at the airport
So
with Queen or Lee. Like, they're getting the mini Glizzy's too. So it's kind of like everybody.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay for them.
It's okay for them. Don't worry.
Just because you got a Hall of Fame Nathan's badge, don't put that on everybody else. Just because you got a Hall of Fame Nathan's badge, don't be putting that on everybody else, bro. Don't be just putting it on everybody else. Don't just put the Nathans on everybody else. Don't just put the Nathans on.
Friends know all your secrets about how long he been going. He didn't just get this addiction. He been addicted to hot dogs since way back.
Everybody else, that's crazy.
Nah, Hall of Fame Nathan's got it.
Hall of Fame Hillshire Farms.
Niggas said I'm the owner of Weenie Hut Juniors. Yo.
Hall of Fame Hillshire Farms, got it.
Nah, bro, Yo, nah. Nigga said I'm a mini weenie warrior.
Yo, the fact that you got a thing for little hot dogs is crazy. Like the fact.
Nigga said I came out the Glizzy closet. You ordered? How long it said?
70 minutes.
This nigga gotta go to a Glizzy Anonymous meeting and sit down and talk about his hot dog problem.
Yo, did we pass this shit? Nah, bro. Did we pass this shit? Or no? Bro, that got it though. I got it though.
My bad. It was my fault. Should never brought it up.
Shit, bro. That's what I'm saying. I made them for the benefit of everybody, and somehow I got thrown under the bus.
I know I was able to.
Bro, the benefit of everybody is crazy when you were the one who went to the freezer first.
So Namaz.
See, you need friends that's gonna hold you accountable too.
You had a Glizzy when you came into a cookout.
No, I didn't. I never had a Glizzy at your house. No, I didn't have a Glizzy at your house. Do not do that.
So, but you was cooking them.
No, you were cooking the Glizzy's.
No, you were cooking them.
Yeah, I think I might have cooked the Glizz. I might have cooked the Glizz. I'm not gonna say that I did. I ain't eat a Glizz.
Like, let's not
cook a Glizz is different.
I think
but
you had one.
You know I didn't. You participated. I didn't. I have never participated.
I didn't participate.
You ate the pig
Glizzy.
Yeah, Lee had 4 Glizzy's. I didn't eat no Glizzy's, and you participated in Pigs in a Blanket with CJ one afternoon. That's your own. One afternoon. Yeah, one afternoon with CJ, you had a Pigs in a Blanket.
Nah, that's a fact.
Yeah, one afternoon. This is one afternoon. After school, he came home, dropped his bag off. Yeah, Pigs in a Blanket.
Right, he had a great day.
He probably did. I don't blame him at all. I'm glad he did, bro.
Lee ate 4 Glizzy's.
Nigga said Clarence is little glizzy and modest brown sugar.
Little Glizzy. Yo, that's a...
All right, y'all. That's it. Like, comment,